Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all that are new, my name is Denise Marie and I am a working mom. My husband and I have been married for 11 years now. We have 2 children. I also have 2 older children, but they're out of the house. And so today we're just going to be doing a quick clean and decorate with me. I'm going to be showing a part of my home that I don't usually show, which is my entryway here. If you've been following me for a while, then you might have seen this haul tree that we have here. I love it because it's a great catch-all during the seasons or during the year. When we get home, we like to drop all of our things here: purse, backpacks, sweaters, hats, you name it, shoes especially. And so I just needed to give it a quick dusting and cleaning here, and also my hallway as well, or my entryway as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So I don't know about y'all, but I love Dollar Tree cleaning products. Not everything, but there are a couple of things that I feel like are staple items, and this blue rag that I'm cleaning with here is definitely one of them. It's just one of their microfiber dusting rags, and I love it. It's a definite must for me. I use it to dust pretty much everything in my house, and I mean, it's only $1, so you can't beat the price, right? So this next item here is just my Sprayway glass cleaner. This by far has been the best glass cleaner that I have found, and I've been using it for years now. That's another one of my staple cleaning products. Comment down below and let me know what yours is. So this next piece of decor here, I love this piece. I found this on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I kid you not, I don't even remember how much I got it for, but I want to say, I bet you I have the price on it still because I'm known for doing that. I want to say it was like $11 on clearance, and I just love it. Number one, I have a thing for birds, so that's why it says our nest, and I just knew that it would be a great decor piece in my home, and it would just, I don't know, I just, when you see something you just kind of know, and that's how I felt about that piece. So all right, so after all the sweeping and dusting, the last thing I need to do here is just mop. And I love this mop. This is from O Cedar. and it's just I guess it's kind of like a flip mop because I can flip from one side of the pad to the other, and I do also have the matching broom. and I love it. I've used this for a couple of years now. I used a Target brand before this that I loved, but it just kept breaking and breaking on me, and this one seems to be, it's definitely been more durable because, like I said, I've purchased this type of mop before, years before, and I had it for a really long time, and so after the other one kept breaking, I just had to go back. So now for the fun part. I've had this magnolia bag up here for a while, so I thought it would be time to change it out, and I'm going to be adding this thrifted Vince Commodi bag that I found at Goodwill not that long ago for $3. That's right, you heard it, $3. And this cute fedora that I like to use during the summertime. I'm also using this pillow that I had in my bedroom. I basically just shopped my home and decided to use things that I already had here in my home. And I also wanted to add a cute little basket just to catch our keys as well. And you'll see the end part in just a moment. So I am infamous for leaving price tags on things, and you'll see that here in just a moment as well. Here I'm just pretty much playing around with the baskets, trying to decide which one to use for my little catch-all keys. So ready to see how it came all together. I loved that I changed everything out for the season. My fedora, I've been using it often, and my cute little thrifted bag, as well as this basket to catch our keys, and then the baskets I recently got from Target for our shoes, and this cute little pillow. I love that it adds a touch of boho, which I love boho decor. So if you've been following me for a while, I definitely invite you to subscribe, comment, leave me a comment below. Also hit that like button, let me know if you like this video, and definitely stay tuned for a quick outtake.
Oh, what? Oh my gosh.
Don't let the fly do.
Freaking bug. There's a bug on there.